Okay, welcome back. I am a programmer. I have no life. 5:21 na, malapit na mag-6. Sabi ni Shaina kahapon, it's call time. 6 p.m. is call time. Hanggang ngayon nagra-record pa ako ng video. Anyways, our next topic is about the navigation. Kailangan paandarin na natin yung mga buttons na to. At gusto ko sana is if clinic ko yung list view na to, dapat lumipat yung mga naka-display dito sa ating text boxes. So, to start, actually, this is a very simple topic. Mamaya na natin sige ilipat ng mga to. Simulan natin kay first. Mas madaling gawin yung first. So, when you click the first, supposedly, if na kay tulyaw ka, if pinress ko yung first, babalikin kayo sa dalila. Last will be this one. If tatling records, this will move record one time ahead and then this will move record next record one step at a time. Sorry, ano yung mga term na pinagsasabi ko? Anyways, sorry for that. BTN first, when you click that, ano yung gagawin natin? CRS student dot move first and then next we will just going to call display rec. And that's it. And for the last, ganun din, RS student, we just have to call your record set. You tell your record set to move to last and then you call your sub-procedure display rec. In display rec, ito yung function sa procedure na nagsasalin nung laman mula sa record set papunta doon sa text box. So, yung munang dalawa para makita ninyo, if you click last, ayun siya. If you click first, ito siya. So, next, gawin natin yung next at saka previous. So, ito yung next. RS student dot move. You tell your record set to move next and then you just have to call display. Display record. So, if nirun ko to at pinindot ko yung next, I expect na pupunta kay tulyaw. Pero, if I click next again, it will going to cause an error. The error is, since last na si Tulyaw Charlie na record, na-meet niya yung EOF, pero pinipilit mo pa rin siyang mag-move next. And that's actually a big problem. Now, there's a way para ma-validate natin yung bagay niya. And that is by asking if RS student dot EOF means end of file is equal to true. Ibig sabihin, nag-next ka. Tapos, na-hit niya is end of file and that's true. Then, if end of file ang na-meet niya, you have to call RS student to move to the last record. Move last. So, wait lang. Iniisip ko kung sige, hindi na tayo gagamit ng one line. If mag-specify ako dito ng else, hindi ka lang. Hindi. Okay lang. Tama lang. I'm sorry, impromptu po kasi ito. Wala pong practice, kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na. Di ba, magmo-move next tayo. Pagka tinanong natin kung end of file siya at nag-true, magmo-move last tayo. If that's false, we just have to call display rec. So, to do that, to show you if tama na to, next, na-hit niya yan yung EO, end of file. Pag tinatest natin yan, nagtutrue siya sa end of file, pero kada nagtutrue siya sa end of file, ibinabalik lang niya tayo sa last record bago niya tawagin yung display rec, kaya hindi siya nagkakaroon ng error. Yun yung sekreto doon. So, if we will going to do yung para sa previous, same format, rs student.move previous, and then itetest lang natin if rs student.bof is equal to true. Then, instead of moving last, we will going to move sa first. Yes. And then, call this play record. And that's it. It's good. So, let's run. Although, again, those buttons are not usable currently. Kasi, if you have 1,000 records, alam nga naman, pumindot ka ng next. So, pinaka-ideal talaga is, ba't ko kaya sinara? Ang pinaka-ideal talaga is, kapag clinic mo yung record na to, dapat ay i-load niya kung sino yung record na yun. So, I hope na natatandaan ko pa kung paano yung ginagawa. Subukan natin. Hindi ko pinapangako magagawa ko yan in one shot. So, Clicking the list view will going to create an event which is selected index change. We will not going to use it. We will going to use the click function where our click event. I'm sorry. Click. Yes, baby. Next is tatawagin natin si with RS student. Sige. So, RS student that move, instead picking from first, last, previous, and next, we're going to use the move. Then may parameter siya yung number of record as integer and then start as object. Pang ilang record. So we have to get the index. O pang ilang index kaya yung na-select doon sa list view. Yun yung kailangan nating makuha. So to do that, we will be using lstv, the name of the object or control, dot selected items dot index. Hindi. Paano kaya to? Dot selected. Wait lang. Hindi siya maisip. List that alam ko talaga nasa selected items lang yun. We specify an index. Check natin if mag-work to. And then let's set that to 0 and call display record. Run. Hopefully mag-run. Come on. Yes, it's running. Oh yes, why do birds suddenly appear? Wait, oh, there's something's wrong, but still nag-run na siya. I believe we use one for this. Let's try. Yes. So, what actually happened kanina, nakalimutan ko kasi kung ano ilalagay na number dito. Yung pangalawang parameter kasi is start as object. I believe na 0 ang first index, pero it seems na sa access, tinuturing niya yun as 1, hindi as 0. So, parang sa Visual Basic lang yung 0, which is, that's the first index. But kay access, it's still 1, or the record set itself. So, what we did is, we will going to move sa specific location, which is ibabato yan ng index kung sino yung sinelect mong item. Yung 0 dito, I believe yun yung unang item, which is yung last name, blah blah blah. And then kinukuha lang natin yung property niya na index para malaman kung pang ilang record yun, dun siya mag-move. And then starting from the first record, I guess ganun ang ibig sabihin nun. And then we will just going to call display rec para i-load niya yung ating record. So, I believe this works. Yeah. Last part na lang tayo. We will be making the add, update, and trash. Or, I mean, yung trash medyo mas marami tayong pag-uusapan din. So, add and edit lang tayo muna. And that will be our topic for our next tutorial. But for the meantime, see you later, alligator. Bababa na ako. 5:30 na. May mga naririnig na akong naglalakad dito sa tabi-tabi at baka saraduan na nila ako ng pinto. So, I'll going to continue the tutorial sa ilalim. So, magpo-post tayo na matagal-tagal. So, goodbye. See you later, alligator.